The Welsh Government has announced that universities will be able to resume the delivery of blended learning, combining on-campus and online learning for the summer term. And I wanted to update those of you living in the vicinity of the Carmarthen campus of the arrangements that this university has put in place to welcome its students back to campus, and in particular to reassure you that we are taking the appropriate steps to safeguard our community as we manage the coronavirus context. Over the past few months, we have prioritised the return of students requiring access to specialist resources and facilities, including workshops, studios and laboratories. And we're now planning the gradual return of the majority of our students for in-person teaching. Those students who will return to the campus will do so in a phased and managed way over the next few weeks. We have put a range of measures in place as part of our risk-assessed approach to reduce the number of people attending our campus at any given time. These measures include making appropriate adjustments to the delivery of our programmes and services, as well as to the campus environment, and include providing access to regular testing, wearing face coverings, physical distancing and hand hygiene. The university values the continued support of the communities it serves and the close relationship of mutual trust and respect that we have developed over many years. The past year has been difficult for us all, and we have missed welcoming you to the campus to enjoy the many events which are important aspects of university life. The summer term in particular is the highlight of our academic calendar as we celebrate our students' achievements. Our staff and students have worked tirelessly during the year to ensure that learning and teaching continue despite the coronavirus. And although we will not be able to welcome you in person to the events that are usually held on campus this term, I do hope that you'll be able to join us for the many online events and exhibitions that will take place during the next few weeks and months. On behalf of the university, may I thank you for your interest and continued support.